I'm just here to be the taste tester.
The taste tester.
Yeah, and the helpmate. We're headed to the gala. Hey Karismatics, welcome back to my channel. This will be a cooking vlog, and I'll also show you around this mansion that we rented for the holidays. The subdivision is here, but there's no homes to be seen. That's crazy. I don't do that. I'm from the country. I have standards and morals.
All right, cut this bacon for me.
The alleged. What's that in that bag?
It's just a little flour.
But what is it? What you got in that bag?
If I tell you, I'm gonna have to kill you. And I like you too much for that.
They're in the kitchen making breakfast, so we gonna see. And take all of that.
You don't want no burnt roux.
Do we take all of that now?
Take all of that.
Okay. Oh my gosh. It smells, oh, this is a screen. It smells so good. We are in a remote location at this house, y'all. And the grill is going. This is by far the biggest house that I have stayed in my entire life. It has, I want to say, between 12 and 14 rooms in it. And man, it's oceanfront vibes or waterfront somewhere. The beach is very, very close by. I don't even know the address. Like, I don't even know how I got here. I'm just here, and it's absolutely beautiful. The house has a elevator in it, apparently. So yeah, we'll get an external. It's quite massive. Let's go downstairs. And now, what he got going on down here, I don't know. But yeah, this is an incredible home. Not the necklaces, all types of way. Oh, who let their smoke burn out?
No, my smoke doing what they supposed to do.
Oh, okay. Because I had seen you running, and I was just making sure.
No, I ain't running.
Yeah.
It's just a brisk attention to detail. That's all.
Okay. All right. I want to see what the meat look like. Can we get?
Oh, I just put the chicken on.
Okay.
The ribs over there ribbing.
Oh, the rib is actually ribbing.
The rib is over there ribbing.
Okay. You might be doing a little something.
Less than $20. Just download the app or go to goodrx.com.
He said put it in the oven just like this. This is the red rice.
I like everybody to get 2 bones.
You said everybody. Okay.
One slit off for you.
This man say he know how to smoke, y'all. That's it. In these backwoods and this remote location. That is all.
Very remote. That's a saltwater marsh.
A marsh.
Yeah. Well, yeah.
Okay.
Marsh.
Look. You being proper with the water. I don't care. It's water. Can I do a kayak?
Yeah. I think there's one down.
Oh, I was joking.
Oh.
But since we're here. What?
Captain Vincent Russo. He's from
That
Savannah,
look like
Georgia.
Oh wow.
He patented this knife.
What?
Yeah, and so
It looks crazy, like a pirate knife or something.
Yeah. Made in the USA. Don't tread on me. So, and Captain, I had it so long.
Is he still living, or?
Yeah, he's still alive.
Wow.
He's still alive. He's still chartered.
Another angle. You said if my subscribers come along, that they would be able to get some of these little secret recipes.
Negative.
Okay, can you tell me the core ingredient in this spray?
It's actually Bragg's apple cider vinegar.
You found this new what?
Meat Church Honey Hog Barbecue.
That's the brand?
Yeah, remember the Meat Church we had, the gospel?
Oh, it looks like that.
Yeah,
so it's the same brand.
It's the same brand, but different. That's 1 night. Shit, this chicken done. 200, Jesus Christ.
All right now. Underlay.
Yeah.
Okay. Good.
And it's It's brown like that because of the marinade. The marinade got some
Okay.
type of sugar in it, and you know sugar burns.
Okay.
Would you like one?
We're done. Yes, I do want one. Okay, guys, we're headed to the gala. I wish I could show you my full outfit. What's in that bag? What you got in that bag? Okay. Yeah, I'm assuming we're right on time, so talk to you later. The best location.
They can pass their turn around and go on the back street.
Wow, so you could just, when you get out your car.
When you park, I mean, it's easy for you to park. I don't know exactly. This is the Charleston Harbor.
Charleston Harbor.
Mount Pleasant.
Oh, so all of that over there is Mount Pleasant.
Over here is Mount Pleasant. Over there is North Charleston.
North Charleston. Oh, okay. Obviously, you can see it very clearly from here.
High enough that the biggest container ship can get through.
What you mean, the biggest container ship? Yeah.
Charleston has 3 ports.
All right, so we are headed to the gala, and that concludes this video. I hope you will give this a thumbs up, drop a comment, and I'll see you in the next.